Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Mary Louisa. I am going to make sweet and sour pork ribs. I've never made sweet and sour pork ribs. I've made honey garlic. I've made them my specialty ribs on the barbecue. But today I decided I'm going to try my hand at sweet and sour. So you're going to make them along with me for the first time. Okay, so first things first. What we're going to do is cut up our short ribs. Nice. We're going to cut up our short ribs per bone. In little chunks like that. Nice. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them, oh, I missed there. I missed the bone. So we're going to cut them all up and we're going to put them in my pot and we're going to give them a wash. And we're going to boil. We're going to boil them for about 10 minutes. Okay, I'm going to give them a little wash and then we're going to put them in the water and boil them. I just put enough water to cover and that's it. We're going to bring that to a boil. We're going to boil them, like I said, for 10 minutes and that's it. So while that is boiling, or while that starts, okay, that process, what I'm going to do is I've got all the other ingredients that I need that we're going to use after, which is garlic, soy sauce, rice vinegar, a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of sugar, and it asks for cooking wine. Optional. I don't have any, so I'm not putting any. And that's it. And I'm going to get my rice. I'm going to get my rice ready because we're going to serve this over rice. Just plain rice. Okay, so let me get my rice on. Okay, so we've had the ribs boil now for a good 5 minutes. Okay? So once they've boiled, I'm just going to drain them and let them sit while I put my sauce together. Okay. So that's ready to go. Now we're going to make our sauce. Okay, so now our sauce, what we're going to do is we're going to put 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. 3, 4, 5, and you know what? 6 for good luck, because that's a lot of meat. We might have to add more. Okay? Then we're going to put rice vinegar. 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, and 3. And because there's a lot of meat, we're going to add 1 more. Okay? Same with the ketchup. Actually, I should put the sugar in first. Okay, sugar. Same thing. We need 3 tablespoons. That's 3. 1 more for good luck. Okay, let's mix this up first until the sugar dissolves. And then we're going to put in 3 tablespoons of ketchup. One, 2, 3 and a half. Okay, we're going to mix that all up nicely. Like I said, until the sugar dissolves. Beautiful. Okay. That's it. Our sauce is ready. So let's leave that aside. Now we're going to take our pan. Okay. Put it on medium-high heat. Okay, our pan with the oil is ready. I drizzled a little bit of oil in this pan. Now we're going to add our pork ribs to this. Put this on medium-low. And we're just saute them. There. I'm going to just saute them for a couple of minutes. Okay, and we have it on medium-low heat. Now I'm going to add my garlic. So the recipe asks for 8 tablespoons of garlic. That's 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 1 for good luck. One for good luck. So we're going to saute that now for a good 3-4 minutes. With all that garlic in there. Actually, we can bring this back up to a medium-high heat. You know what? This is a pretty easy recipe. Start to finish, 45 minutes. You're done. And as this is all making, you got your rice cooking. I make my rice in the rice cooker. Fast and easy. Put it all in there and I forget about it. It bings when it's ready. It bings to tell me it's ready. Okay. That's been a good 3 minutes. That is going to be delicious. Like I said, I have never made this before. It's the first time. I First time that I'm making it, first time that I'm making it online, and that I'm making it with you people out there. It's fun cooking together. I love it. I love learning new things. That's what I like doing. I like watching other people cook. I like watching, experimenting with new recipes. I love it. Keeps my mind busy, occupied, learning. I love learning. That's what it is. Okay. So, that's been about 4 minutes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drizzle this sauce that I made, which I hope is going to be enough. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to do that. Stir it all around. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add water. We're going to add 2 cups of water to the mix. Then we're going to cover it. We're going to keep it on medium heat. That smells amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going to add the water. Okay, so now that we've got the water in there, we put the 2 cups of water. Okay, we're going to lower this to medium-low. And we're going to let it simmer for 30 minutes. We're going to cover it and let it simmer for 30 minutes. See you in 30 minutes. Got it. Okay, so after that it's been cooking on medium-low for 30 minutes, okay? Smells amazing. It looks amazing. I can't wait to try this. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to cook. We're going to put it on high heat. Okay? And we're going to let it cook for another 5 minutes without being covered, so that the liquid gets evaporated. And yeah. That's going to be amazing. And that's it. We're going to serve this over the rice. Call it a dinner. 40 minutes, 45 minutes, top. Ready, start to finish. Peace. Have a great day and keep coming back. Okay? I love doing things like this for you guys. Okay, have a great day. sweet and sour spare ribs. This is all ready. I just shut off the heat. All the extra liquid has evaporated. The meat is starting to fall off the bone, which to me means that it's ready. Okay. Let's just take a little piece off of here. Oh my God. It smells amazing. Amazing, amazing. Wow, all those flavors, they just come together, and the meat melts in your mouth, and the flavors are doing a great dance. Oh my God. Okay, I have to say that another amazing dinner. Must try this recipe. Easy peasy, delicious. Thank you. Keep coming back.